Hey friends, if you wish to fix can't open ASIO3.sys error on ASUS computers, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, see, here's what we have to do. You need to go to this website armory-crate.com and click on download. Select the latest version, okay, the full installation package, and or rather you can select this installer one. Okay, it's easier this way. And then once this installer is downloaded, right click on it, select extract all. Okay, go to this and then run the installer and install Armoury Crate on your system. Okay, now this will install all the files including the ASIO3.sys file again, and it will fix your problem. Okay, you simply click on start. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.